Hi, and welcome to the Build, Restore, Repair channel. In this episode, we will install a wall sink. I've always wanted to put a sink in this corner of our garage, so I went out and bought a very small sink, a faucet, P-trap, hose and drain, and to anchor the sink to the wall, I also got two sets of expansion bolts and screws. To begin, I marked the wall where the sink will be installed. I then marked the two holes where the screws and bolts will be placed. The drill bit that I used is exactly the same size as the expansion bolt. For easy drilling, I gradually increased the size of the drill bit from small to large. I then inserted the two expansion bolts inside the holes that I drilled. The screws were then inserted through the holes under the sink. They were aligned with the expansion bolts on the wall and then tightened using a wrench. Next, I installed the sink drain. After the drain, the faucet was installed next. After that, the hose was installed. One end of the hose was attached to the water source, and the other was connected to the faucet input located under the sink. A drain pipe was also installed so that the water will go directly to the floor drain. Lastly, I installed the P-trap. One end was attached to the sink drain, while the other end went directly to the drain pipe. And just like that, the DIY project is done after about an hour. I can now clean my paintbrushes and many other things in our garage. So amazing! Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next Build, Restore, Repair episode.